Assalamu alaikum. Warm greetings. Welcome to Chemicon is a dedicated textile auxiliaries and specialty chemical manufacturing company. It is manufacturing world-class chemicals. We have a good team of chemists and practical work experience engineers, especially trained technicians with keen knowledge of technical service in the relevant field in our production team. We keep track of every latest development in this field. Our R&D team is engaged round the clock to solve the latest problem. We use raw materials of various well-known companies from around the world. We take care of our each product to keep it up to the world standard. We also seek advice of important R&D lab to solve our customer problems. JDSC Level 3 certification of Chemicon. Here is our JDSC Level 3 certificate in which many of our products have Level 3. Gold 7.0 certification of Chemicon. See some of the glimpse of the Gold 7.0 certification of Chemicon. Our key products: cationic and non-ionic softener, silicone softener, sequestering, dispersing and leveling agents, fixing agent, detergent and wetting agent, peroxide stabilizer and killer, lacquer protector, high energy saving multifunctional agent. Our textile softener and dosing. There are 4 cationic softener grades in Chemicon: Chemisoft CWAS, Chemisoft CWAS Cold, Chemisoft CWMS, Chemisoft CSLC and Chemisoft NSLN. You can see the dosing information of these grades. Here are the features of Chemisoft CWAS. Production of liquid softener up to maximum 5% smooth, soft and slightly greasy handle. Reduces static cling during display and wearing of garment. Stable to hard water. The use of soft water is not required. It is appropriate for cellulosic and synthetic fibers. Applicable for colors. Chemisoft CWS cold softener features. Production of liquid softeners up to maximum 10%. Reduces static cling during display and wearing of garment. Stable to hard water. The use of soft water is not required. Smooth, soft and slightly greasy handle. It is appropriate for cellulosic and synthetic fibers. Applicable for color. Chemisoft CWMS softener features. Our high-performance cationic softener flake and its dosage are ranging from 0.2 to 0.3% weight on fabric to 0.5 to 1% weight on fabric. It is extremely soft and soft handles with an excellent surface and flake form. Allows production of fabrics and garments with high wetness and minimal shade change on colored fabric. Very high degree of exhaustion, excellent product efficiency, lowest water contamination, very high degree of exhaustion, excellent product efficiency, lowest water contamination. Product can be used even from long liquefaction. Extremely effective at preventing static buildup, reduces fabric processing problems, especially in fabric cutting, sewing, by allowing easier laying and manipulation of the fabric piles. Reduces static cling during display and wearing of garment. Stable to hard water, the use of soft water is not required. Chemistry of CSLC features. Production of liquid softeners up to maximum 5% smooth, soft and slightly greasy handle. Applicable for color. It is appropriate for cellulosic and synthetic fibers. Chemistry of NSLN features. Product can be used even from long liquefaction, extremely effective at preventing static buildup. Reduces fabric processing problems, especially in fabric cutting, sewing, and allowing easier line separation and manipulation of the fabric piles. Reduces static cling during display and wearing of garment. Stable to hard water. The use of soft water is required. Our textile softener features at a glance: smoothness, soft handle with an excellent surface smoothness, extremely soft, smooth hand. Efficiency, very high degree of exertion, excellent product efficiency, low waste water contamination. Product can be used even from long liquidation. Stability, stable to hard water. The use of soft water is not required. Whiteness, frill and flake form allows production of fabrics and garments with high whiteness and minimal shade change on colored fabrics. Problem reduction, extremely effective at preventing static buildup, reduces fabric processing problem, especially in fabric cutting, sewing, by allowing easier line separation and manipulation of the fabric piles. Reduces static cling during display and wearing garments. Skin friendly. Chemical disinfectant comb. Sequestering, dispersing, leveling and soaping agent for reactive and direct. Here are some features of chemical disinfectant comb. No need to use cationic dye fixing agent if it is used in the soaping bath, so lowering of light fastness can be prevented. Dye bath application for reactive and direct dyeing. This depends on water hardness, purity of cotton, liquor ratio, types, forms, or the method of the treatment of the fabric. The standard guideline is the following: dissolving, diluting. Chemical disinfectant comb can be diluted by pouring on cold or warm water in all proportion. For dye bath, zero point 0.2 to 1 gram for exhaust processing depending on the hardness of water. For washing off, zero point 0.2 to 1 gram for exhaust processing depending on the hardness of water. Here are some characteristics of chemical disinfectant comb. Characteristics: chemical disinfectant improves the levelness in dyeing cellulose or and its blends with reactive dry direct wet dyes without affecting the desired shade. Chemical disinfectant enhances the brilliance of shades when applied in dye bath by removing the incrustation of calcium, magnesium, iron and other alkaline earth and heavy metals ions compound deposit. Chemical disinfectant prevents the precipitation of dyes complexed with alkaline earth metal or metal salts present in hard water. Chemical disinfectant increases right first time production rates, has softening effects on the dye bath, it prevents stains, levelness, it increases yield, improves reproducibility of dyeing produced with dyes that are calcium, magnesium, iron, etc. Does not cause shade change or impair light fastness. Calcium test, very good dispersion for calcium. Filtration test on dye bath condition, salt 80 gram per liter, soda 20 gram per liter, hardness 250 to 260 ppm, temperature 80 degree at 40 minutes, BC 4500 sample 0.5 GPL, showing better results. Iron test with sample. Chemical Chemicon is very good. Iron dispersant, iron 50 ppm in dye bath condition. Here you can see the difference. Chemical Chemicon soaping test for wash fastness. Staining after soaping. Here the results is found of. Rubbing fastness test. Rubbing fastness has improved by using chemical Chemicon in soaping bath. Here you can see the results. Rubbing fastness test in different shade, and here is the results in front. Chemical STCF sequestrant and demineralizer for pre-treatment and bleach baths. Chemical STCF features is especially effective where the iron contamination either from water or from substrate is high. It prevents the formation of pinhole in the substrate, helps to improve the levelness in dyeing cellulose, and it blends with reactive direct and wet dyes without affecting the desired shade by eliminating metal ions present in the fiber. Enhances the brilliance of shades by demineralizing the substrate in pretreatment stage. Increases right first time production rates, increases yield, and improves reproducibility of dyeing produced with dyes that are sensitive to calcium, magnesium, iron, and copper. Eliminates calcium and magnesium powdery precipitates or lime soap deposits on the textile goods and prevents buildup of insoluble scale on machinery. Water absorbency, softness, and winding properties of yarn are improved. Comparative iron test for stabilizer and sequestrant in pre-treatment bath. Here you can see the results in front of you. Comparative calcium test for stabilizer and sequestrant in pre-treatment bath. Here in the image you can see the results clearly. Chemifix NFC, formaldehyde-free fixing agent for direct reactive and sulfur. Here are some Chemifix NFC features. It increases washing, sweat, and water fastness for direct and reactive dye stuffs for use in all articles where the use of formaldehyde is not allowed by different legislation. It hardly affects light fastness, which is an advantage compared to the fixing agent containing formaldehyde. It may be applied by exhaustion or Fullard processes. To use it as the final treatment in reactive and direct dyeing to reduce the washing time and allows to reduce water and energy consumed with an improvement fastness, especially to sweat and wet ironing. High stability in wide range of pH making feasibility to apply it by continuous processes after dyeing with reactive and sulfur dyes. Silicon softener. There are two types of silicon softener. One is Chemisoft MSC silicon softener macroemulsion. The dosing is 1 to 3% weight on fabric, and the other is Chemisil HS200, which is hydrophilic silicon softener for cool and dry effect. 2 to 3% weight on fabrics by exhaustion. Silicon softener Chemisoft MSC features excellent surface smoothness, smooth bulky handle, good handle with better internal softness on cotton and synthetics. Imparts optimum drape, provides good hydrophilicity after finishing, stable to resin, and improved handle when used in wrinkle-free resin. Better stability when finishing is done with more hardness. Good elastomatic effect, good cost-performance ratio, optical brightener and pigment stable, passes phenolic yellowing test, robust to extreme dry on wet application condition, can be applied either by padding or exertion method, can be applied either by padding or absorption. Silicon softener Chemisil HS200 features. Versasil HS200 that utilizes dual action textile cooling technology with HEIQ, instant contact and continuous evaporative properties, excellent softness with silky touch on knits and towels, instant hydrophilicity and good storage hydrophilicity, good wicking property, non-yellowing, minimal shade change, can be recommended for whites and sensitive shades. Good stability of the product in the finishing liquor containing OPA and acrylic binder. Multifunctional agent. There are two types of multifunctional agent. One is liquid and other is powder form. Chemicon LMF, which 1 gram per liter at hydrogen peroxide, 3 gram per liter NaOH, 1.5 gram per liter, temperature 80 degrees Celsius in 40 minutes. Chemicon LMF feeder, which is powder form, 1.8 gram per liter at 1.8 liquor ratio. Hydrogen peroxide 2 gram per liter, temperature is 90 degrees Celsius in 40 minutes. Water absorbency test of our multifunctional agent. Here you can see the results of the water absorbency. Here are the second absorbency test. You can see clearly the good results. Our multifunctional agents features. Chemicon LMF features. Provides low pre-treatment temperature and time for scouring and bleaching of cotton fabrics and its blends. Provides good hydrophilicity and whiteness for bleaching of cotton fabrics at 80 degrees Celsius temperature for 40 minutes. Protects natural handle of cotton fabric with low temperature of bleaching process. Due to its low foaming character, the product provides easy application, minimum process loss of fabric weight, saves energy because of lower processing temperature and shorter time, reduces carbon dioxide emission, so green and eco-friendly. Chemicon LMF PDF features. Provides short time bleaching of cotton fabrics and its blends and lower process application. Provides good hydrophilicity and whiteness for bleaching of cotton fabrics. 100 degrees Celsius temperature for 30 to 40 minutes. Protects natural handle of cotton fabric with low temperature of bleaching process. Minimum process loss of fabric weight. Due to its low foaming character, the product provides easy application, saves energy because of lower processing temperature and shorter time, reduces carbon dioxide emission, so green and eco. Our anti-creasing agents. There are two anti-creasing agents of Chemicon. One is Chemifluid X100 and Chemifluid Z100. The best result can be provided by Chemifluid Z100, which is 0.5 to 1.5 gram per liter dosing and can be used in high GSM fabric. Anti-creasing agent features. Z100 features. It works on low to high GSM all type fabrics. Our anti-creasing agents are acid, alkali and salt resistant. Can be used in reduced fabric or metal friction, ensure optimum plating, prevent the formation of abrasion marks on knit goods, has smoothing and softening effect, has stabilizing effect with critical dye stuff, are low foaming, are ST resistant. Chemicon CWD con, detergent wetting and deaerating agent for all textile fibers. Chemicon CWD con features elimination of oil stains through hot wash treatment, scouring and bleaching. It may be used in all kind of machinery since it does not attack rubber. Textile treated with Chemicon CWD con give good absorbency. Chemiclear ABS, anti-wax staining agent for improved. Chemiclear ABS features. It improves the contrast. It prevents setting of detached dye on fabric. It is a formation of eco-friendly chemicals. Chemipar RX can, high energy saving, low temperature, sequestering, dispersing and soaping agent. Chemipar RX can features. It is low temperature soaping agent and works at 70 degrees Celsius on turquoise and other critical colors. There are some other features as well, which is you can see in the screen. Stabilizer, non-silicate. Our stabilizer does not create any pinholes or any adverse effect on treated fabric, does not impair the absorbency of treated fabric. The other features is in front of you in the screen. You can see. Comparative calcium test for stabilizer and sequestration in pre-treatment bath, where you can see the results clearly. Comparative iron test for stabilizer and sequestration in pre-treatment bath. Here is the result in front of you. Chemiprotect LP100 Lycra bracket shrink. Chemiprotect LP100 is a special long chain organic polymer emulsion dispersion. It is used to prevent the shrinkage or breakage of the stretch yarn. The other features are in front of you in the screen. Chemtex PC multifunctional after clearing agent after power. Here is a feature of Chemtex PC. You can see there are some features and it is in front of you in the screen. Chemidefoam HD200 anti-foaming agent. Effect of anti-foam on absorbency. Our anti-foam has no adverse effect on absorbency. You can see in the screen. The effect of anti-foam on absorbency. Here are two videos. One is forming foam and the other is not forming foam. You can see the different test results in these video clips. Thank you for your valuable time and patience. Wish you all have a very great day.